Welcome students to the online class Standard 8th Subject Science. Lesson number 8, Pollution. Let us see the topics that we are going to cover in this slide. First one is pollution, second one is pollutant, and third one is air pollution. So let us see all this topic in detail. So student, today we are going to understand what do we mean by pollution. Pollution is nothing but contamination of natural environment that will be harmful to the ecosystem. Such a thing is known as your pollution. Like student, if different gases, poisonous gases which affect the environment, the fumes which are coming out of the vehicles, the harmful or poisonous gases coming out of the factories and get mixed into the air, mixed into the water, which affects the human body, which affects the environment. So such a thing is known as your pollution. Because of pollution, not only human beings but our natural environment also get affected. Okay, because of such poisonous gases which mixes into our environment, it affects the environment too, and along with the environment it affects the human body with different kinds of diseases. You can see in the above slide how the poisonous gases coming out of the factories, the gases how it is coming out of the vehicles and getting mixed into the air and making the air poisonous, making the air harmful. Student, let us understand what do we mean by pollutant. Pollutant is nothing but it is the factor which is affecting natural functions of ecosystem and causing harmful effects on abiotic and biotic. Abiotic and biotic means living things and non-living things. On both it puts equally the effects. Okay, such a factor is known as pollutant. So student, pollutant may be natural or man-made. Natural pollutant are destroyed in due to course of time by natural's rule. However, man-made pollutant cannot be destroyed. Okay. So man-made pollutant are what, like your factories which is giving poisonous gases, your vehicles which is making out or giving out the harmful gases. So such a man-made pollutant, it cannot be destroyed because it is not in the hand of nature, it is in the hand of man. Okay, that is, it can be destroyed. So student, let us understand the very first pollution, that is air pollution. So air pollution is nothing but it is the contamination of air by harmful substance like poisonous gases, smokes, particulate matter, microbes, etc. is called your air pollution. So student, what are the reason for air pollution? How do air pollution is being caused? As you can see in the picture given in the above slide, the burning of the forest, the a volcanic eruption, the poisonous gases coming out of the vehicles, the poisonous gases coming out of the factories. So these are all the reasons because of which your air get polluted. Because while burning of forest or volcanic eruption, or when the gases are coming out of the vehicles, these are all poisonous gases, harmful gases which get mixed into the air and makes the air contaminated, makes the air polluted. And when we are taking the air, when we are breathing the air, it also affects the human body. But not only the human body gets affected because of air pollution, but the environment, the ecosystem also get disturbed because of it. Okay, so what are the reasons for this all air pollution? So student, there are two reasons for air pollution. The first one is your natural reason and the second one is your man-made reason. So natural reason are because of volcanic eruption, okay, earthquakes, cyclones, forest fire, microbes in air. So these are natural reason for air pollution. So let us see the man-made reason, like fuel, gases coming out of the fuel when we are using it. Okay, burning of solid waste, like when we are burning garbages, when we are burning woods, when we are burning timbers and all, agricultural waste. So this all causes air pollution. Industrialization, the poisonous gases coming out of the industries and mixes into the air and make the air polluted. Atomic energy plant and blast, like uses of element like uranium, thorium, graphite, plutonium releases radiation in air, and thus pollution occurs because of atomic energy. Okay, so student, these are the reasons for air pollution which causes pollution and makes the air contaminated. Thank you.